Hey everybody, today I want to tell you about this 3-pack of Qally sunglasses that I got off of Amazon. You get 3 pairs of sunglasses in one box. Inside the box I've got a pair of blue polarized. I should probably take these out. I also got a pair of kind of red, orangish colored ones. And a darker pair. All the glasses are very lightweight. They're made of a carbon fiber material. They are kind of flexible, so when you put them on, I have kind of a large head, so you put them on, they fit very comfortably. I think they're all very stylish looking. Pretty cool. So I like these, and I think you will too. That's the 3-pack by Qally. Check it out on Amazon.